Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to access Google Cloud Backup. All right. So first up, let's go ahead over to console.google.com and here hit on enter. Now, once done, select your project, then go ahead over to the three horizontal lines right here at the top left. Now go ahead and go to APIs and services. And here, go ahead and click on library. Okay. Go ahead and find backup and DR. Okay. Hit on enter. Make sure that this one is enabled in your cloud. Okay. Once you have it enabled, open up a new tab. And go ahead and go to console.cloud.google.com/backup DR and hit on enter. Okay. There you go. Then if you have a backup, you can go ahead and go to the left panel. And here you have your backup vault. Click on it. And here you have your backup project. Okay. If you don't have a vault yet, you can go ahead and click on create backup vault. All right. And make sure that your backup or make sure that you have a backup plan. Okay. Click on it and create a backup plan right here. Resource type. Select the correct resource. Then name, region, backup vault. Select the vault that you have created. But if you want to add a rule, go ahead and do so. And once done, hit on create and you're good to go. Now, if you're referring to a bucket, okay, you can go ahead over the three horizontal lines once more. Here we have cloud storage. Okay, go ahead and click on buckets. And here you have your bucket. All right, that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.